Hello friends, today I want to show you how you would find elements by using name or ID. Before doing that, you need to know what option is available for you. Okay, there are many ways you could find elements by using name, ID, CSS, link text, partial link text, XPath, or tag name, right? But what option is available for you is based on what you would see there. So when you go here, this is the site that I want to launch with the register page, so that I use this so that I can show you multiple attributes inside these fields where you can enter. These are all the text field where you would type. Okay, first of all, I launch into this site, okay, which is the register. As soon as I come here, I click here because I need to type something here. Inspect. Now I click here. This thing comes and it is showing me the options available. I have input is a tag. Max length is 60, which is the length of this text, so we have nothing to do with that. We don't need size either. All we need is name, so we have only one options available. Okay, so I copied that. I'm going to type the field there, so I would say because it's name, it's a by.name. Okay, and the name is this dot send keys. Because it's a typing field, I need to send the keys. So the field I'm going to type here is test user. Let's make small letter 8901, let's say. Okay, this is automation store. Obviously we need to type more fields, so I'm going to just copy that and we will come that later. So let's go back. Now I need a last name. Okay, if I put last name, let's see what it comes. So name is last name. Okay, so I do name, which is a name here, that's the last name. Then send keys is last name. That's all the last name is. I'm going to write. Now I fill these two fields, and all I want to do is just quick test. Let's go to some other field where I can show you more than name field. Okay, what about phone? Phone has name because you see phone has a name. Email looks like email has an ID. Let's put that. So if it was ID, here you see name and as well as ID. You could use either one. Okay, so here is a ID. This is by ID, by.id, and I'm going to put whatever ID is here. That's the email ID. Okay, at the rate. So this is just the typing. So email address I'm going to type in. So my email testing at the rate testforme.com, something, right? I'm just typing my email address by ID. So here name, here's ID. So if I go here, so I did name. Let me put one more thing in the drop down. Okay, select is a name, so this is the selector, which means a drop down. It's a name that has a country. If I click here, I see multiple options in name of the country. So I copy the select piece, the first one, because I did the whole thing. Okay, I need to pick this as a selector, which is a drop down. So I copy the name. Only option I have is name, so I go here. Now I want to select that, so I would do select. Let's do this. Select equals new select. Inside here I need to define that WebDriver. Okay, that element. So my driver dot find driver dot find element by dot ID. Sorry, it's a name. It's not by ID, it's by name. And that's all I did here. Now I do select dot select by visible text. Okay, let's find what the text is. Because it's a case sensitive, I need to select United States. Okay, almost there. There we go. United States. Okay, so I selected United States there, and I think I can still click this without going to that. So I'm just going to click this because it's a testing, so it doesn't do real validation. So here I'm going to click the submit button with the register. Okay, that is also by name. So what I will do, I go here, and again I'm going to show you slowly. So here I first of all I click here, and then I want to go whichever field. I click here, it's highlighted, and within the highlighted area, from wherever angle bracket opens and ends, I need to find the attribute. My attribute is register, which is the name field. So it would be by.name register. So let's write that, by.name register. And because that is the button I need to click, so it won't be send keys, it will be dot click. Okay, so I'm going to remove this whole thing. So let's format that out. So I enter the first name by.name, last name by.name, by ID, this is the email field, and I have a drop down where I'm going to select United States, and all I'm going to click is the register. I don't need to fill rest of the things because it is just empty field. It will be working because it's not the real-time validation, it's a testing site. That's what you would see at the end. Okay, so let's just write. So I want to see, whenever I click submit, I want to see this field in that page. I will just remove that after. I don't want to run that after because it will close the browser. So let me run this test, run as JUnit. Okay, it is launching. Okay, first name is enter, last name, email is there, and then United States is selected. Well, that's fine. We went through that. So basically this does not give you anything. That's how it was designed. So that's the purpose. So even if you would do that manually, still I believe it won't show you anything. Submit. So it didn't give you name. Okay, that's fine. That's how it was designed. But the purpose is, that's how you would find the element, and then here it just goes past. So here if you see the steps again, all I did is I entered the first name, last name, username, and then I selected one from the drop down. Okay, and that has to be exactly same as the options are available in the HTML. Okay, and then when you go next, all I did is I click. So you need to understand if it is the element that is supposed to be clicked or supposed to be typed. That you need to know. After that, you will be calling the method called send keys, or you would call click, based on what purpose it is. Okay, so because we have first name, last name, emails, or typing field, I typed in. Because this field is a drop down, so I had to call select, and from the selects method called select by visible text, I gave the options of that drop down. So this time this select requires the ID for, or the name or identifier for that select field, which is a drop down field. So I gave web element here. okay, by country. So that's the name of that drop down. After that, I select with this guy by visible text, and then I click the button register. That's all I wanted to show you for this video, and thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed, and this would help you finding elements by using name or ID, and that's how you would use. And don't try to dig too much into it. So try to go through whatever options are available. Usually the by name, by ID are the options that's already written for you. Okay, so that's how you would find out by the elements. Okay, thank you very much. Hope this has been helpful, and please continue to watch my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.